This Notion bundle sells for $249. And honestly, it's a good product. This one's mine. Same categories, Second Brain, Business Hub, Finance Tracker, Life Planner, in total 10 templates. Total cost to build, $0. And total time, 1 afternoon. Because I didn't build it, Claude did. From inside Notion, 1 prompt per template. In next 5 minutes, I'll show you exactly how, live. If you don't have time and want it ready-made, then link will be in the description. You can buy it from there. Also, all the prompts are included so you can build your own versions. So let's go. If you ever spent a whole Sunday building a Notion setup that died by Wednesday, here's your refund. And the setup is nothing. This is Notion's built-in AI chatbot. Click this little model button and look at this menu. That's Claude Opus 4.8, one of the most powerful AI models on the planet, and maybe in near future they will be having Fable 5. And all these models are sitting inside Notion. So select Opus 4.8, done. That's the entire setup. This AI doesn't just answer questions, it builds pages, databases, dashboard right in your workspace. Which means the hours or the $50 between you and a proper system just become one prompt. This is the demo one, the big one, and it's called Life OS. Many people are selling this exact kind of template for over $100. So all you have to do is you just need to copy this prompt and paste it over here. If you can't make good prompts, then you can just go to ChatGPT and there you can upload the reference image of the dashboard and just type a simple prompt that make me a prompt to make this particular dashboard in Notion. But I have this prompt and you can also get it from the description. So you just need to copy this and paste it over here. The secret line is this last one. Don't ask me questions, build it now. This will make you the dashboard in seconds. So here you can see that this is the live example. Goals with progress bar, projects linked to goals, tasks, weekly reviews, and a working dashboard with realistic sample data so it doesn't look like a skeleton. That's the $79 one. Next, the one freelancer actually needs. Demo 2 Freelance Client CRM. These kinds of client CRMs sells for $50 and every freelancer on earth needs one prompt. Again, just copy this prompt, paste it over here and hit enter, and boom, here you can see that. Clients grouped, lead to active, projects by stage, unpaid invoices staring at you. That column alone is worth the template. And look at the sample data. Real name, real project values. Claude did that because the prompt asked for a freelance web designer in the US. Specificity in, quality out. Remember that line for the anatomy part? Demo 3 Creator OS. For every creator watching this particular template is a gold mine. Here you can see that ideas to published, one system. And this build has my favorite small detail. So again, copy this particular template, go to Notion, paste it over here, hit enter, and boom, here you can see that content ideas, published calendars, and a sponsor pipeline with a deal values. Because create a template without money tracking is a diary. It even wrote a 3-step daily workflow into the dashboard. I didn't ask for that specifically. I asked for it to think like a creator, and it did. Last one, the simplest, and honestly the one most of you will still be using. Same steps you have to follow, just copy the prompt, paste it over here, and boom, here you can see that 7-day habit grid, streaks, goals with progress bars, pre-filled with these 6 habits everyone attempts. $19 template type, 10 seconds of AI time. So we saw 4 templates and 4 prompts. Total build time about 10 to 15 minutes. Last one, the anatomy. Hopefully you get the process and I don't want to waste your much time. So all the 10 prompts and templates will be in the description. If you want, you can go and get it from there. But before you go and copy these, 30 seconds on why they work. So you can generate literally any template, whatever you want. Every mega prompt has 5 parts. First, name the template and the vibe. Second, list every database with exact properties and types. This is 80% of the quality. Third, demand realistic sample data for a specific person, a freelance designer, not a user. Fourth, describe the dashboard layout, columns, what goes left, what goes right, and so on. Fifth, the magic line, don't ask questions, build now. Miss part 2 and you get a toy. Included and you get what you just watched. So full bundle will be in the description. If you want, you can check it out. And don't forget to subscribe.